I've got the URL here, and we're going to fetch the entries. It's not anything goes. It's a keyword filter on Friday giveaway. You had to enter that, and you could enter every day, so I allow duplicates, and we're going to continue. And I'm so excited to see who will win this cute stamp. This is so cute. So 112 comments. Wow. Okay. And it's Mary Adair. Congratulations, Mary. You have won this adorable, wonderful, useful border stamp set. Mary, I'm so excited that you won. I hope you're staying nice and toasty in Colorado. Now, you can enter for next Friday's giveaway. And let me see if I can get this to stay on. You have to be a subscriber to my channel. This is one way that I celebrate you. You have to put the words Friday giveaway in the comments, and you can enter every day. You do have to be 18 or older, US or Canada only, and this is next Friday's giveaway for January 23rd. It is a lovely script writing for your backgrounds. So I hope you'll enter. Congratulations to Mary, and everybody have a great weekend. Thanks.